Fox News alert now. Whole Foods employees planning a sick out today to demand hazard pay and better safety measures as the coronavirus spreads nationwide. One day after workers at Amazon and Instacart walked off the job as well. Grady Trimble is from the Fox Business Network. He's live outside of Whole Foods in Chicago, where one employee recently tested positive for COVID-19. Grady, good morning.
Ed, good morning to you. Americans are relying more heavily on these grocery store and delivery workers right now as Americans stay home. But some of these workers say their companies aren't doing enough to protect them. So in calling for this sick out today, some Amazon or Whole Foods workers, I should say, are calling for these demands, including paid leave for workers who choose to quarantine, hazard pay, which amounts to 2 times their ordinary hourly pay, and health care for part-time workers. Of course, Amazon does own Whole Foods, and Amazon, as you mentioned, dealt with its own strike yesterday. Workers at a Staten Island warehouse walked out calling for similar changes. An organizer there was fired, he claims, out of retaliation, but Amazon says he wasn't following social distancing guidelines, and he went on site even though he was asked to stay home for 14 days with pay after coming into contact with an associate who tested positive for the coronavirus. Here at Whole Foods again, they're cleaning the stores more regularly. They've put up sneeze guards at the checkouts to protect the clerks, and workers have unlimited call-outs, which means they can actually participate in this sick out without fear of repercussion or losing their jobs. Whole Foods tells us in a statement, team members in our stores and facilities also have access to up to 2 weeks of paid time off if they test positive for COVID or are quarantined, in addition to $2 an hour on top of their hourly base pay and increased overtime pay. Now, it's difficult to tell how many Whole Foods employees are participating in this sick out today, but they've gotten the support of some prominent Democrats, including Representative Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez. Ed?
Grady Trimble from FBN, thank you.